friends, welcome to our channel All for Food. Now today we are going to make a Tadka dal. Now this is whole moong 1 cup, and if you are taking 1 cup of whole moong, then you take the yellow lentil, that is the chana dal, 1/4 cup. Soak it overnight if possible, otherwise 4 to 5 hours. Drain out the water. Now I'm adding 2 green cardamoms, a small piece of cinnamon, a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of salt, and water enough to boil the dal. Allow it 2 whistles on high, then sim it and 4 whistles. Now let's check on our dal. Oh, it's boiled so well. See, it's absolutely boiled well. Absolutely boiled well. Now dals are an integral part of the Indian cuisine, dals or lentils. And tadka is a tempering that is put after it's cooked to enhance its flavors. Now let's start. I'm using some white oil. Switch on the gas. I'll add in some butter for extra flavor. This is optional. If you want to use it, you use it. If you don't want to, it's okay. This only enhances the flavor. Once your oil is hot, we'll add in some cumin seeds. Now we will start adding some onion. This is 1 big onion I've chopped. Some chopped ginger and garlic. Some green chili. And we will fry this nicely. Add a little salt to help the onion fry faster. Add in about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now till the oil separates. Now you add in a little bit of turmeric, just about half teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and a little bit of chili powder. And fry it nicely. Add in a little bit of kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. Just rub it in your hands. That gives a better flavor. Now add in your tomatoes. These are 4 small tomatoes. And you need to fry again till everything is nice and mushy. See? Now the oil is floating. So this is done. Now we can add the dal into it. some water. And it needs to simmer for some time. At this stage, you can check your salt. Add in some garam masala of your choice. And some fresh coriander leaves. Let's get ready for a tadka or the tempering. That is a little bit of white oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. That will give a wonderful flavor. A whole red chili and some ginger garlic chopped very fine. Some green chilies. Chilies you can put according to your taste. Let's fry it nicely. Put in some cumin seeds for the extra crunch. Put in some kasuri methi. And some red chili powder for the wonderful color. Fry it nicely till it gets brown. This is what is going to impart the flavor to the lentil or the dal. There are various types of dals that are cooked in India because it's a very essential part of our regular food. We have mixed dals, we have tadkas, and tadka of course means the tempering, because after the dal is cooked, we always put a tadka or a tempering to it, which enhances the flavor of the dal. Done. Let's add the prepared tadka on the dal. See the red color? Can you see? Beautiful red color. Our dal is ready to be served. This is the vegetarian tadka. If you add an egg, you can make a egg tadka with this. Let's serve it. Let us serve our dal. Have this with roti, paratha, naan. It's awesome. It's just awesome. You can even have it with rice if you want to, but it usually goes well with Indian breads.
Bye for now and do subscribe to our channel.